everyone! Today Hemptique will be showing you how you can make your own macrame lanyard for you to attach your mask to, or you can even use this to attach your glasses or sunglasses or any other object that sometimes you might want to hang from your neck. For this tutorial you are going to need 2 lobster claw style keychains. Measure one cord in one color about 10 feet long. Measure another rope and another color 10 feet long, and then you're going to measure 2 cords about 20 inches long each in your third color. Our first step is to take our long pieces of rope and fold them evenly in half. Then I'm going to attach this long rope to my keyring with a reverse lark's head knot. To make this knot, I'm just going to take that folded end and send it right behind my keyring. I'm going to pull it through so that I have this nice defined loop right in front, and I'm going to take the remaining 2 ends and send them over that loop, and then I'm just going to pull that nice and tight. Now I can repeat with my next color rope. Now I'm going to take my other rope and I'm going to tie a gathering knot right below the reverse lark's head knots. To make a gathering knot, I'm going to fold this rope in half so that I have a long piece of rope and a short little tail on the other side and this nice loop that hangs below. I'm going to sit that directly on top of my ropes. And then I like to pinch everything with my fingers and take that long piece of rope, and I'm going to begin wrapping it around everything, making sure that that short tail sticks up above. Keep wrapping until you have reached the desired thickness. Once you have your gathering knot to the desired length, you're going to stick that long tail through the loop. Then we're going to take that short tail and give it a nice gentle pull to pull the knot through the gathering section. Just pull enough until it disappears under the section. You can pull both tails to tighten up the knot. And then you can also take it and just slide it into place so it is right below the 2 knots up above if needed. Take a pair of scissors and just trim off the remaining ends. If any ends remain sticking up, you can take a little tapestry needle or something else with a point and poke them back below the gathering knot. Now we will begin tying the design for the rest of our mask lanyard necklace design. To do this, just take both colors and separate them so you have 2 groups of 2. Then we will begin tying half hitch knots. To do this, I'm going to start by taking the side on the left and crossing it over the right side. I'm going to twist it around the side here on the right to go through the loop, where I can then pull it through and pull it tight. As you pull it tight, make sure your 2 ropes stack neatly on top of each other. Now I'm going to switch and take the side on the right to cross over the 2 on the left. I'm going to swing it around those left strings to go through the loop, where I can then pull it tight. Once again, make sure your 2 ropes are laying neatly on top of one another. And that's all there is to it. So now I go back to the side on the left to cross over the right ropes, spin them around to go through the loop, and then pull it tight. I will just be repeating this design over and over again until I have reached the desired length. And once you have reached the desired length for your lanyard, go ahead and slide the remaining 4 ends onto your second key ring. Now you want to stop sliding about a finger width or the exact amount of space your last gathering knot took. Then you're just going to fold those ropes in half. And we're going to connect this and end it with another gathering knot. So take that last piece of rope and we're just going to attach it as we did before. Holding all your ropes together as you wrap around. And once you've finished tying that gathering knot, if you have any space between your gathering knot and your key ring, just go ahead and pull on those remaining ends to just tighten it all up and pull them back through that gathering knot so there is no negative space. You can do each rope individually to make sure it's as smooth as possible. Also, you can slide your gathering knot down to fix any gappage between your gathering knot and your last knot. Just keep adjusting until it sits where you would like it to. Now we can take our scissors and cut off all the remaining ends that are sticking out. Finally, you can take your tapestry needle or another object with a point to stick any ends back up through the gathering knot as needed. And our lanyards are now finished. You should have 2 clips on both sides, matching, and a long necklace so you can drape it over your neck. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.